What's up? This is just gonna be a quick dash cam review. This is a $20 cheapy one I got on TEMU. Let's pause for a second. Let's watch this guy in the red truck. Obviously in a rush. Almost coming within a few feet of that school bus. Nice, buddy. Here is the exact camera that I got. It's all right for 20 bucks, you know, I'm not complaining. I just kind of wanted to try it out, see how I was going to run the wires and everything when I got a good one. But yeah, I would suggest getting this, but it's all right. Like I said, comes with a 32 gig memory card, so that's kind of nice. The video quality is a little shaky, maybe because I drive like a psychopath, but it does have audio. I had to turn the audio off for these videos because I was playing music. Whatever, I'll play a clip of it. What's the worst that could happen? Yeah, so the microphone on the camera is not bad. It picks up the sound of the engine pretty good. The only other thing to note with this one, I don't know if it's just because my car is so tiny, but if you look on the lower right corner of the video, that's the cabin video. As you can see, you don't see me or my passenger in the front seat. But and there's no way to angle it, like if you wanted to just turn it towards you or your passenger. There's another little, but whatever. It's $20 camera. I'll shut up now and we'll just watch some clips. Peace.